Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at our Sterling L2A3 parts kits. Now you're probably looking at the parts on the table and you're thinking, why would they demill a perfectly good E11 blaster? But that is not an E11 blaster you're looking at, it's a demilled Sterling L2A3 parts kit. The Sterling L2A3 was developed to replace the Sten submachine gun during World War II. Didn't quite see action in the war, but it got used for a very long time afterwards and even into some of the later conflicts in the 20th century, and you can actually see some pictures of some dudes running around in the Falklands with these. So let's take a look at some of the parts that are inside this parts kit, some of the very unique key Sterling parts, such as this folding stock, and as you can see, as the folding stock comes down, it has the shoulder thing that goes up and it folds underneath towards the front of the submachine gun. Then we've got the magazine slash fire control housing piece. It's been demilled obviously, but on the magazine well you can see the Sterling logo showing that it's Sterling SMG 9x19. It's got the pistol grip and the fire control group here with the little trigger. Then we've got the main bolt body. You can see there's some numbers on the side here, but it is an open bolt gun, so here's that main bolt that'll reciprocate and do the thing. Got the rear receiver section with that rear sight. We've got the end cap here with a little sling swivel, and then we've got the front end here with that front side assembly and this bushing for the barrel. Now if you're interested in one of these kits, don't wait long. They are finite. They are going to go away someday. If you already have one of these, we do have some spare parts available on our site, such as magazines and other small parts and accessories. We've got the standard Sterling magazines. We also have those early Patchette magazines as well available on our site. Guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe because we have some very cool stuff coming out later this year. We've got some competitions we're going to and some new Apex exclusive items coming that you're really going to want to jump on. If your Imperial Garrison needs any more supplies, make sure you check us out on apexgunparts.com. We've got a lot of pouches and canvas accessories for all your different units, and if you're part of a Death Trooper team, we do have G3 magazines available, so if you're a Star Wars fan, we've got some of that stuff as well. Thanks again for watching. Have a good one.